welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. All right, so in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's called Faith and Fellowship Sweets and Treats Open Collaboration. That means anyone can join, guys. So who's hosting this collab? We have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. We have myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have May's Design Corner and Dream with Caroline. Now we do have a theme and it's Winter Gathering. And so yesterday is January 8th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So like I said, anyone can join, and it doesn't matter if you're running late, just let me know and I'll add your video to the playlist. Now I've already decorated this beautiful tablescape here for you with this tea party. So let's get in and take a closer look. All right, so doesn't this table look absolutely amazing? I just kept going and going and going. And this is what it turned out. So let's start over here with this tier tray. So if you've noticed, I've decorated, I have a video out that I posted yesterday. I decorated my back console, and so all of this corner here is all winter decor. I kept the trees, guys, with the lights, the white lights, and I think that's perfectly fine. So here we have this tier tray. It's pretty much matching that one, except that one has the bear. So we have this tier and the bottom tier. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I love how that looks. Now, if we go along the back side first, you're gonna see that I have a red metal rose. There's pearls on the bottom, and that cloche, I believe you know what? I believe that this came from BB Crafts, and I'm an affiliate for BB Crafts, so I got this, I ordered this, so that was like beautiful. And that's also glass, and I just absolutely love it. I had to add it. Now you're gonna see a mesh teapot. Guys, that was like an awesome buy, and I got it from the thrift store. It was amazing, so you know I had to grab that. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. And I placed it on a riser, and that riser did come from Dollar General. Now we're gonna come over here, and this vase, I believe the vase was thrifted, and then I went ahead and DIY'd it. So pretty. Okay, it has some bling chain on it, and it also has I'm not sure if that's a bee or what, the sunflower. Okay, and then I went ahead and I placed some of that dusty roses along with the slightly pink colored baby's breath. I stuck a greenery piece here, okay, and I believe these accent greenery did come from Dollar General. And then you know I have my Dollar General bird right here. He's so cute. And I also have a riser, and that riser I purchased at Dollar General. Now look at this beautiful arrangement, guys. I am loving it. So the vase was a thrifted item, and I went ahead and decorated that. I DIY'd it with some BB Craft jewels, and look at that arrangement. So you know I'm ready for the spring. All right, so let's look at the middle. So I do have some faux cupcakes because I wanted to show you. These faux cupcakes come from the Dollar Tree, and they're making them bigger. So this one was in pink, and it has baby heart confetti. And then this one, so that one was the pink. They do have a lighter one. And then we have this red one. So these are perfect for these tea parties, and then not a real tea party, guys, but a tea party. And then we have the little baby teapot that I decided to go ahead and place on this tray. Now I'm starting out here with the pink teapot. You could teapot or coffee pot. And then I didn't bring the tea bags out here, but you can use coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. So these came out during Valentine's Day at Walmart. All right, and the pot was thrifted. So that was a great buy, guys. That was definitely a great buy. Then we have some real cookies here. So we have some sugar cookies, and we have some oatmeal cookies. All right, a nice variety for dessert and coffee. and my little candle's going out there, but this candle came from the Dollar Tree. All right, so let's take a look at this place setting. I put a water glass here. That was a thrifted item. And then these utensils here came from Home Goods. Then we have these plates. I'm using them as dessert plates and pastry plates for today. Okay, and that came from Home Goods. The napkins were gifted item, and so were the napkin rings. Okay, I decided to go ahead and add that pale yellow, and then this is always something you'll always see me add because I love it. This is great for like dessert or bread. And so this is what it's looking like, and I think it looks beautiful. I'm loving the pink. Okay, so I am loving this, guys, and I hope that you guys are too. And so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and take you over to the reveal so we can take a closer look at these beautiful items. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.